Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we will study maths class 3 page number 25. Page number 25. Let's start from question number 6. Draw beads on the abacus to show the number indicated. Okay? The number indicated, you can see the numbers below the abacus and you have to draw the beads, right? First is 372. You will draw 3 beads here, 7 beads here and 2 beads here. ठीक है? It will be 372, right? Next है 560. 505 means we will draw 5 beads here, 6 beads here. 0 mean nothing, mean no beads, right? 0 mean nothing. ठीक है, इधर हम कोई भी बीड्स नहीं बनाएंगे. नेक्स्ट 984. We will draw 9 beads on this line. It's the 100. H mean 100, T mean 10, O mean 1. It mean 984. 9 beads here, 8 beads here and 4 beads here, right? Next 608. H mean 100, T mean 10, O mean 1. 600 यहाँ पे हम 6 beads बनाएंगे. 0 mean nothing, mean यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं बनाना. 8 beads over here, right? Next come to the question number 7. Write the number name. Write the number name. 608. We will write here in with spellings. 608. Right? Next 908. 908. 475. 475. Understand? Write in figures. 199. We will write here like 199. 310. 310. 651. 651. 444. 444. Come to the question number next. Now come to the question number 9. Complete the sequence. You first check the sequence. 628, 630 means there is a difference of 2 numbers. 28 and 30 में 2 digit का नंबर का फ़र्क है, इसलिए अगला है 30 के बाद आ रहा है 32 means there is a difference of 2 figures in each number. Now we will continue this sequence. 32 के बाद 1 digit फिनिश करके नेक्स्ट दूसरा देखें तो बन जाता है 634, 636, 638, 640, 642. There is a difference of 2 digit number in this sequence, right? Now we will come to the next 896 and 898. There is a difference of 2 digit numbers. Understand? 96 and 98 में 2 हिंसों का फ़र्क है. अब हम आते हैं 98 के बाद फिर 2 हिंसे के बाद कौन सा नंबर आ जाता है? 900. 900, 902, 904, 906, 908, 910. There is a sequence of 2 digit numbers. Understand? Next come 420, 425. There is a difference of 5 digits. Understand? 20 and 25 में कितने नंबरों का फ़र्क है? 5. Now we will continue this sequence. 420, 425, 430, 435, 440, 445, 450, 455. There is a sequence of 5 digit number. Understand? Next again 90 and 95. There is a difference of 5 digit number. We will continue this sequence. 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120, 125. Understand? Now we will check the difference between these numbers. 387, 397. There is a difference of 10 numbers. 87 and 97 में 10 numbers का फ़र्क जा रहा है. ठीक है? We will continue this difference. Understand? 387, 397, 407, 417, 427, 437, 447, 457. Understand? We will continue the difference of 10 digit number in each number. You understand? It's the page number 25. Now come to the next page. Adil had 900, 9 tens and 9 ones. These boxes, big boxes, are called the hundreds. These small are called the tens, and these are called the ones. Understand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 900. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 9 ones. Understand? He now had 10 ones, which has changed into 110. Now he has one more 1, which is equal to 110. Now he has 10 tens. Understand? 10 tens. Now come to the page number 25. Here you have to write how many numbers. Understand? This is the 1000. Big box is equal to 1000. These boxes are equal to 100. And these are equal to tens. And these are equal to ones. 1, 10, 100 and 1000. Understand? First we will see in picture number 1. There is 1000. You will write 1 under the 1000. One box of 100. 1 and no box of 10 and no 1. You will write 0 under the 10 and 0 under the 1. And now you have to draw the beads over here. 1000 में 1 beads, 100 में भी 1 beads and no beads in 10 and 1. 0 mean nothing. Understand? 0 mean nothing. Now come over here. 1 and 2. We will write here 2 under the 1000. 100 कितने हैं? 1, 100, 1, 2, 210, and 0 1, there is no 1. Understand? And now we have to draw on the backes 1000, 2000, 100, 2 tens and 0 1. 0 मीन नथिंग. जिस जगह पे 0 आएगा वहाँ पे हमने कुछ भी ड्रा नहीं करना. अंडरस्टैंड? इसी तरीके से आपने क्वेश्चन नंबर सी, डी और ई ये आपने बुक्स पे सॉल्व करने हैं. ठीक है, आज के लिए आपका यही काम है. ओके जी, अच्छा, अल्लाह हाफिज़ बच्चों.